Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can add music to your Bigo Live videos or live stream. So if you're in the live stream, you just play a song or a music. But remember, you will get copyrighted if you're playing others' creation or if they have some copyright claims or rules. So just make sure you play your own creations, your own music, or the copyright-free music. And on the uh, posted videos, what you can do is just go on and try to post a normal video, right? You open your phone, get Bigo Live, and click on the blue button. That is, of course, a video, right? So you click on it, you choose a video, then on the top right corner there should be a music icon. Just click on it, choose any music you like, and it's done. And that's it. And when you're ready, just post it, and you'll have music in your videos. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.